Introducing manufacturing SaaS services that will help you leap into smart manufacturing. Among many domestic and international manufacturing industries, how to be competitive. My Link will be your answer. It's a user-centered and enhances user experience with convenient UI, UX services available as a comprehensive package or as an individual module. It's an all-in-one service that combines manufacturing and business solutions. Check out the various functions of the manufacturing SaaS service. Link PLM is a product-oriented business organization and operation management system. It is a system that manages functions throughout production such as process and facility management and BOM management. Link WMS is an inventory warehouse management system specialized in manufacturing. Most significantly, it manages the entry and exit of products and materials, and manages automation-enabled warehouses. Link PMS is a system for systematically identifying resource management and progress for projects. Through workflow linkage, system efficiency is high, resource management such as project input, members, and costs, and project part and overall progress can be managed. Link WMS provides quality management solutions that can be used by various companies. It supports contents on abnormal occurrence, quality evaluation, and equipment calibration management. It also has a variety of corporate quality processes. Link WMS is a system that automatically manages documents in the form of drives. It manages the history of document changes and versions, and supports the modification of data and the setting of access rights. It can also set document security settings. Link Toolkit is an electronic approval system that self-manages work, forms, and processes. It supports the systemization of document work such as Excel and Word, and allows you to set and manage your company's work forms on your own. Link Collection is a system for efficient work by linking, refining, and analyzing data. It utilizes large amounts of data in a variety of reliable and diverse ways. It also supports different types of ways. What are the advantages of manufacturing SaaS service? Various manufacturing IT solutions can be used. UI and UX are designed and modular for user convenience. Check out the reviews of users who used it themselves. I will be my link with your growth.